So I have a '01 Ultra Biolera 2.4 liter. Every once in a while, when I'm driving, it'll start bogging and misfiring. Mostly when I stop at a red light and I go. So I don't really know. It's been doing this for fucking like a year, and it's always done this. It's always had some little fucking gay shit with this piece of shit fucking car. Want to get a fucking goddamn Camaro or Trans Am, yeah, V8 LS or LT1, but I'd rather LS. But okay, let's get to this. Okay, so take these off. I've already changed the coil housing about 4 times. I broke one of these off, the little clip, getting it out because it was a fucking cunt, which pissed me off. every time I take these out, there's always oil in that spark plug, oil right there in that little whatever the fuck it is. There's not really any oil in that one. Oil. Okay, so these are mostly dry except the first one. So I guess this goes 1, 3, 4, 2. I'm pretty sure. So that one's wet as fuck. This one's relatively dry, and that one's kind of wet. So why the fuck do I have oil in my shit? Okay, I changed the head gaskets already. So you can see the timing cover gaskets. I changed all those. Change the coil housing, like I said. So what could it be? Also, this little you can't really see, it's got a crack in here. I would also like to know if that's bad, but if anybody has a 2.4 or has experienced this or has anything that can help me, because my dad's a mechanic, but he's just a cocksucker. He doesn't want to ever help me. So, I gotta do it on my own, which is the best way anyways, but so anybody got anything for me? I'd appreciate it.